It's a heat with great hair. In great milers. The gun is off. The heat is rocking. All right, Jeremy, I'm told to cheer for you, so I'm going to cheer for you, Jeremy. The whole field is at sub-6 pace, my people, the whole field. They were at 87 at 409 meters. Do the math, that is sub-550 pace for the field. We've got the wave light set at 520 this round, at 520. I mean, the sky is only getting more beautiful, am I right? What a backdrop. Okay, here we go. We're going to have 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go in this heat of the mile. We are at 5:15 pace up front. Green wave lights are at 5:20 pace. This entire field is sub-6 pace right now, and they're throwing out thumbs up like it's going out of style. Classy. This is a classy field.
And a special appearance tonight by Michael Riley, CEO of Tracktown USA.
Michael Riley's been to the Old Pro in Palo Alto as well. He'll shake his head no, but I'm sure he has been. It was under an assumed name. Jason Lund, table for 2. All right, everybody, we got 1 lap to go. Not 2 laps, not 3 laps. We've got 1 lap to go, and this one looks like it's going to be a tight finish.
Green lights, 520. Let's go, Luke Bauer. Chase those green wave lights. We got a couple more making the run at them. And this looks like a 9-person battle up front. Oh, we have the middle of that front back check in. Here's the quick lights. Running by the Hayward Tower, 200 to go. That salmon sunset is turning a little bit more purple.
We have a big move off the front, coming in strong. We may see a sub 515 if he keeps it coming. And look at this pack. Let's bring him in. That was our first glorious beard win of the night. There you go. I'll tell you what, it's not science, but if that beard was a mustache, he would have been under 5.
And we're at 5:40 on the clock. Coming down the home stretch, a shot to have everybody under 6.
All right, let's bring our athlete home. Watch
There
the
we
clock.
go.